How do you create accessible error messages? Describe the error in text. Include the name of the field where the error was detected. For example, a first name field with an error message stating a first name is required. Include a suggestion on how to fix the error if known. For example, an invalid email field with the error message. The email address entered is invalid. Please check the formatting. Example, email@domain.com. On the design side, incorporate visual cues that don't rely on color alone. Example, a red X, where both the red color and the X symbol visually signal the presence of an error. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.